So I may have got a little bit excited driving this morning, and there's a bit of a noise in the back end. Something's telling me it's a drive shaft or possibly diff. It is only the 7.5 inch Altezza center and 4-bolt shafts. Open center, it's not actually an LSD, but it's making some lovely noises that you would normally find in a front-wheel drive when you've got dry rooted CVs. So I'll try and gently ease on the power, and you can hear it knocking. Doesn't sound good, so I'm just limping it home, and yeah, we'll have a look. I do have a spare 7.5 inch, just another open center and a spare set of drive shafts, as well as a 3.9 8-inch chaser diff, 6-bolt shafts, which I did plan on putting in. So look, depending on how well I go and what's actually wrong with it, if it's just a drive shaft, I might just throw a drive shaft in it. But if it's the diff, like the crane wheel, it's chipped a tooth or I don't know, something along those lines, I'll obviously, if this was something maybe a TRD two-way or an expensive diff center or something, you wouldn't be driving the car right now, I'll tell you that. Because if it is the center or something, or if I've broken the shaft that goes into the center rather than the shaft that goes to the hub. I've broken this shaft a few times in an A86 and it broke on an angle, so under load it would push the bearing plate and slip and make this noise and go dun 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 dun. But under very light acceleration you could actually drive it. It would grip enough. The shaft was broken on an angle, so it would actually turn still. I'm trying to explain that while I'm driving. Give me a break. So yeah, I don't know, I might have done something like that. I really don't know. I literally was on my way to work this morning, got a little bit excited, yeah, it doesn't like it. My mechanical sympathy radar is going off the chart, but look, I'm just going to limp it home and park it up, get it on a stand and just see what's under it. Have a look. It could be a piece of fishing line that I ran over and it's wrapped itself around and thrown itself against the car or something. I don't know. Really haven't even had a look at it. But yeah, we'll see what happens, and I'll post another video soon. Cheers.